Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mansi and you are on Mansi.Bubble Talks. So a very quick introduction for the guys who are still new to me. I am Mansi. I'm a new aspiring YouTuber and do follow me if you want to learn a little bit more about being productive at work and just in your life, and I'll be posting more things around productivity and lifestyle. So don't forget to click on the subscribe button. So during the lockdown, I'm sure everybody is binging either on food or on Netflix. But besides that, is there something that we're doing for ourselves? Is there something that we're doing to make us feel productive as you would besides the lockdown? A lot of us are going through this fundamental question of where is life going and how long this is going to last, and I just want to get out of here. But having said that, there are very few people who are being positive, and I am trying to be one of them, and I'll share a few tips on what I try to do in order to keep my sanity alive. The first thing that y'all can do is reading. I know a lot of us have not read in a very long time, but trust me, reading takes your imagination to another level. It is very simple. You do not need a lot of equipments, and besides having a physical book as well, there are a lot of options that you can opt in for. For example, you can read it on your Kindle, or if you're not a reader per se, you can go ahead and purchase audiobooks on Audible as well. The next thing that y'all can try doing is learning a new language. As cliche as it sounds, there is a sense of accomplishment when you can do something differently, right? I'm sure a lot of y'all who know different languages or are multilingual keep learning new things in different languages. So something like translating something from a Hindi to a Mandarin is a new assignment that you could look at. There are a number of apps as well as websites that will help you in doing so. I would recommend Duolingo, which is a very good website if you all want to start with a new language. It also helps you in taking tests and it grades your language ability as well. Another very cool thing that a lot of my cleanliness freak friends can do is cleaning up your wardrobe or just rearranging it. So if you all haven't done Marie Kondoing in your house or in the kitchen, then start doing that. Just get all the dump of clothes together, just realign them now because we're ready for summers and soon the monsoon will come into India. I would sort of recommend just let go of old clothes, let go of things that you've not worn in a long time. That also brings you a sense of accomplishment and productivity. And then rearrange it in a way that you can do it with colors, or you could do it with your office clothes versus your home clothes, etc. There are like a number of ways of doing it. Another thing you could do in this way is going into your kitchen and just labeling everything out that you have. So you can start with your food grains and then your mirch masalas, etc. And just have labels for everything and put everything in a sorted order. So you're able to find it whenever you need to. This one is for all the folks who have had some kind of a hobby or some inclination towards art, craft, etc. but haven't been able to pursue it because of their work stress or just not having that work-life balance. So the next thing that you could do is get into an art that you've been longing to go into for a long time. For example, writing or photography or designing, any kind of art that you've been sort of putting off, saying that once upon a time I used to do this but now I don't have the time for it because of work, etc. So start doing that. Just put in a couple of hours in the day. Just start with 1 hour. Probably create a portfolio equivalent for yourself and see where that goes. More than anything else, or more than the thought of monetizing it, the idea is to just energize yourself with doing something productive in the day. Okay, this one is gonna help you out to feel productive as well during the lockdown and also enrich your career skills. So take up an online course. There are a lot of free websites out there which will help you in enriching your career. And there are short-term courses of 2-3 days, and there are longer-term courses as well. There are 2 or 3 websites that I would personally recommend. The first one is Upgrad. The next one is Coursera. I will put the link to these websites as well in the description box. So I hope these simple ideas make you feel more productive and think in a direction that doesn't make you lose your sanity during the lockdown. I request you to like, share and comment the video if you all thought it's good, and also feel free to pitch in your ideas as to what you are doing to maintain your sanity.